The TINRAIYANG pink car seat covers set uses soft composite nappa leather that feels comfortable while shielding your original seats from spills, stains, pet hair, and sunlight. Detachable memory foam headrests cradle your neck and help keep your spine aligned on longer drives, which noticeably cuts down on fatigue. The pink and black styling gives the interior a more upscale, coordinated look without being overly flashy, so it suits both daily commuting and weekend trips. Extra padding around the lower back area offers better lumbar support than many basic covers, making the seats feel closer to factory-upgraded upholstery. The side zipper design and clearly laid out installation steps mean most people can get the full set installed in well under half an hour without special tools. A stretchy, semi-universal fit works with most sedans, sport utility vehicles, and pickup trucks, and the covers are shaped to stay compatible with airbags and rear safety buckles.